Look there. Come here, Larkin. There you go. Look at you. Come on. Let's take it down the hall. Come on. Go down the hall. Come on.
Yay!
Yay. Boom. Oh, gotta catch the phone. Gotta catch the phone.
Larkin, can you drive this way?
Can you go this way?
Yay! Yay! These are so fun.
What do you think?
You love it?
Boom.
There she goes.
Get the phone. Say, call Grandma Lee and tell her thank you. There you go. Hold on to it. What do you think?
It's fun, huh?
Gonna turn it on. Check it out. You inspecting it?
What does it do? I'll show Grandma Lee what it does.
Careful. Here. Hang up. There you go. Do you want to take it off? Put it down so that you can play with it. Here, look.
The phone goes
here.
Thanks for calling. It's got cool things here. Larkin, look. Yeah. It's a cow. You gonna check the wheels out, huh?
Careful. Here. Check this out.
She likes that part. Well, that's cool because she didn't know it did that in the store.
Uh-huh.
The sun is shining.
What do you think, Larkin?
Say thank you.